Hey everybody, welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're going to be looking at two more examples of the M2A1 style of ammo can, typically used for 50 caliber ammunition, but in these two examples we got something different today. So feel free to check out other videos in the series, but moving right along. Let's pick this one first to look at today. Get this one out of the picture so we can take a closer look. So like the M2A1 series of cans, this one does not have the stamping, but it does have the SCF manufacturer's mark. As we've gone over before, the overlapping lid, in this case horizontal, no angle on it. The multi-piece hinge, using a pin and overlap system, multiple pieces attaching to the lid as well as the body of the can itself, multi-piece handle that sways around to help with movement of the weight and momentum, and bottom indented to help with stacking with the handle compressed like that, and welded bottom. And in this case we also have the bump points as well as the edge created by the lid and hinge attachment, which helps with stacking underneath. If we look at the front, we do have the handle that helps with lifting from this direction as well as sliding along flat surfaces, and the multi-piece kind of flap handle that is used to on the M2A1 control the opening of the lid from the side, as opposed to the original M2A series of cans which opened from the front here with a hinge out the back. So if we go ahead and open it, it's basically we just lift up like that, and you can see how that is overlapping point is attached to the front of the can. Go ahead and open it, and like most of the M2A1s, there's no real separation attachments. You can see where the indentation protrudes into the bottom of the can. Likewise, we have a strengthening point here for the handle, and you do not see anything indicating where the bump points are on the top. So those are solid material right there. Like the other ammo cans, the lid does detach, like so, allowing us to get a closer look. And we have the rubber grommet that goes around to help keep moisture, dirt, dust, humidity out of the can. You can see how the hinge has the pins, and then we go into the contact points there. And as we put it back on, push like that. Typically, cans open to about that angle, which helps keep the lid from going too far open when this is in a, say, like a flat surface or on a feed tray. Likewise, there's enough friction on the lid created to help keep it open a certain amount to allow a belt of, say, 50 caliber ammunition to stick out there, with this handle being kind of a shelf to help with feeding. But in this case, you can see markings that this one is for M249, which is the SAW or FN Minimi platform, or even the Mark 46 platforms. Now the logo here is a symbol for, usually by NATO countries, meaning linked ammo, usually the two circles with a horizontal line through them. You see that there. We look at the front. This is for two 200 round ammo magazines. So two of the 200 round ammo packs. 5x5 6mm, again with the linked ammunition logo using M27 links in this case. And we do have then the type of ammo, which is going to be 4 with the filled circle, meaning ball M855 to 1 ratio of horizontal bar, meaning tracer M856 in this case. Our lot code starts with LC, meaning Lake City 85. Could mean 1985 in this case. And then we have our lot code and series numbers. Okay, so if we look at our other example today, this one has a little bit more different markings. If we start at the top of this one, or actually on the back of it, looks like a year 2000 M2A1, again SCF is our manufacturer. We have a nice sticker on this side. And similar front right here. Let's open up real quick just to get that over with. Nothing really special, as you can see. So we'll concentrate on the markings on this one. So on the lid, we have packed with desiccant, drying, dehumidifying material. Do not open until ready for use or inspection. And the type of ammo here, 1310, is typically the identification number for larger than 30mm ammunition. If it was 1305, it's usually anything 30mm or below. 01 is the number for United States, and then we have our lots and serial numbers, etc. In this case, this would contain 22 cartridges of 40mm non-lethal lot. And their lot number there, and weights. So this would be non-lethal ammunition training ammo. 40mm. Does not appear to be linked. So this would be separate ammunition, possibly for M203, possibly M79 launchers, or even possibly the 320. So again, looking at today, two more examples of the M2A1 ammo cans. This one was 40mm inert training ammo can. But because it does have charges, or used to have charges, that's how we have that sticker on there. And the first case, close it up real quick, were some SAW ammo. MG249, 200 rounds by 2. So something a little different today on our show and tell video. Feel free to check out other videos in the show and tell series. We also do unboxing videos, as well as a series called Curios for the Curious, more artsy type objects. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.